Hi guys, it's Avas from 20 Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to save internet data in Windows 10. So let's get started. So simply goes to search bar, type here services, click on services app. Now click on any key and press W. Search here Windows Update. Here is Windows Update. Right click on it, click on properties, select startup type, disable. Click on apply, click on OK. Now second step is now again go to search bar, type here system settings. My settings is already off, but if your settings are on, so simply off the settings. And the third step is the network which you are using. So open the properties, scroll down. Here you can see set as measured connection. So on, close the window. After doing this, right click on taskbar, click on task manager. Now click on startup. Here you can see Microsoft OneDrive. Disable the Microsoft OneDrive. Now again go to start button, click on settings, click on privacy, scroll down and click on background apps. Off all the unwanted apps. By doing this process, your problem will be fixed. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.